Hi students, here we have the fourth lesson, that is electoral politics. In the introductory part you have a story, not a story, an event that happened in the state of Haryana, that you have to read how the elections were conducted in state of Haryana. And here we are going to discuss major topics, and the first one, elections. You all are familiar with the word or the concept of election. What is it? What is the meaning of election? The elections is a mechanism or procedure which the people are elected their representatives in regular intervals. Election means it is a mechanism or procedure through which the people are elected their representative at regular intervals. If the people are not satisfied with the existing government or working of the existing government, they can change the government with the next term of elections. This is a common, or usually we are try to understand the concept of election. The next topic, what makes elections more democratic? We know that the elections are conducted in a democratic manner. What are the things that makes elections more democratic? In the early chapter we have studied, we all of you have the right to vote. That means those who completed the age of 18 years, they have the right to vote. All the people, they have right to vote. All the vote have equal value. This is the first point. And the second point, in the democratic country, different parties are contesting election. The parties and the different people or different candidates should be free to contest in elections and should offer several choices for the people. That means lot of parties, they were contesting elections. It can make a choices to the people. The people, they are select their representatives or which party they have to be ruled. And the third point, elections must be held in a regularly after every few years. The elections must be held regularly after a few years. Commonly, we have 5 years of elections we are conducted. And the next point, the candidate preferred by the people should be get elected. That means we the people are preferred which contestant or which candidate have to be elected. That means we prefer the candidates who will rule our country. And the last point, the election should be conducted in a free and fair manner where the people can choose the leaders as they really wish. These are the points which makes elections more democratic. And the next topic, what is a system of election in India? Usually we have general election and by-election. General election means elections are held in constituencies at the same time either on the same day or within a few days. This is a general elections. By-election means the elections are conducted or held in a different constituencies due to the reason of a resignation of any member or death of any party member or any leader. Two type of election, that is the general election means that regularly we are conducted at the same day or within the few days for the entire state or for the entire district or state. By election means if any person in the constituencies died or if any person who resigned from its post, the elections will conduct. That is a by election.